My name's Sophia and I just graduated from Children's University. It's a really fun experience. You get to go like all different kinds of places and do all different kinds of things. I did 30 hours and I went on different walks. I did loads of clubs like drama, netball, choir, and I went to make some noise, which was really fun. As a part of the graduation, I got to sing on stage, singing Rolling in the Deep by Adele. I felt like nervous but excited at the same time. I think Children's University has helped me boost my confidence a lot. When I got up on stage, I was like, everything's going to be fine. I have people cheering on for me in the crowd, so I was like, I can do this.